Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. You find yourself floating happily under the sea. You notice you can breathe easily here like a fish. Breathe easily. By using your arms, you realize you can easily move through the water, much like a superhero flies through the sky. Use your arms to move through the water over top of the fish and coral reefs beneath you. Imagine what kind of fish you would see. Imagine all the colors under the ocean. Imagine what the bubbles in the water would feel like as they tickle your cheeks as you swim by. Look down into the sand and the coral to see if you can spot an octopus. Beside you, you notice a few small jellyfish bouncing their way through the ocean. As you swim along, you hear the song of a whale beside you. The whale gives you a wink and spins lazily in circles to get a good look at you. You give it a rub behind the fins. Suddenly you feel a nudge on your feet. A few dolphins have come to play. They invite you to swim with them, and they take off quickly. Use your arms outstretched in front of you to zip through the water and keep up with the dolphins. Swim faster. Faster. Jump in and out of the water, doing flips and spins with your new dolphin friends. What do you see as you burst out of the water? What type of animals do you pass by with the dolphins? Your heart feels full. There's a smile on your face from ear to ear. You feel free, happy, and without a care in the world. Imagine this feeling now growing in your body and spend a mindful moment exploring the ocean with your new friends. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.